Exclusion Order. In the context of juvenile dependency cases in California, an exclusion order typically refers to a court order that prohibits or restricts contact between certain individuals and a child who is the subject of the dependency proceedings. Here are key points about exclusion orders. 1. Purpose. Exclusion orders are issued to protect the safety and well-being of the child by preventing contact with individuals who may pose a risk of harm. These individuals may include parents, guardians, relatives, or other parties whose presence or behavior could endanger the child or interfere with the goals of the dependency case, such as reunification or placement in a stable environment. 2. Basis for issuance. Exclusion orders may be requested by parties involved in the dependency case, such as social services agencies, attorneys representing the child or parent, or the child's guardian ad litem. The court may issue an exclusion order based on evidence presented during hearings or through sworn declarations, establishing the need for such an order to protect the child's safety and best interests. 3. Scope of restrictions. Exclusion orders may vary in terms of the individuals affected and the specific restrictions imposed. In some cases, the order may completely prohibit contact between the named individual and the child, while in other cases it may allow supervised visitation or contact under certain conditions. The court may also specify the duration of the exclusion order and any steps required for the individual to seek modification or termination of the order. 4. Enforcement and compliance. Once issued, exclusion orders are enforceable court orders that must be followed by all parties involved. Violating an exclusion order may result in legal consequences, including contempt of court proceedings and potential sanctions. Social services agencies, law enforcement, and court-appointed monitors may be responsible for ensuring compliance with exclusion orders and taking appropriate action in cases of non-compliance. 5. Review and modification. Exclusion orders are subject to review by the court, and parties affected by the order may request modifications based on changed circumstances or new evidence. The court may schedule hearings to review the necessity of the exclusion order and consider whether modifications are warranted to better serve the child's interests. Overall, exclusion orders in juvenile dependency cases serve as protective measures to safeguard the child from potential harm and ensure a safe and supportive environment during the dependency proceedings. They are tailored to the specific circumstances of each case and are designed to prioritize the child's safety and well-being above all else.